There's 4 types of campaigns again, and in this video we're going to go over the first campaign type, which is a hashtag tracking campaign. Hashtag tracking campaigns are a really simple but powerful tool that help you guide the conversation across social media. And how it works is simple. You make a designated hashtag, and your ambassadors use that hashtag on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. CrewFire will listen in the background for any time any of your ambassadors use the hashtag, and when they do, they earn points, and then we pull that content into CrewFire for you to see it. And so what that looks like is this. We could say this would be the Crew Eyewear 2020 campaign, and it would say post a picture of your sunglasses. Use the hashtag to earn points. And then here we designate a unique hashtag, and we'll say, for this one, we'll say Crew Eyewear 2020. Next, we go to the campaign details. This is where you can send this to either everybody on your team, or if you remember to the first section when we created groups, you can send this to just a designated group, so only a subset of your team will see this campaign and be invited to participate in it. And then optionally, if you want to add a start and end date on this kind of campaign, so you want it to start and end at a certain date and time, you can do that here. And then last but not least, you can adjust the point values. And this is great because this means these hashtags, your ambassadors can use them on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And you can set different point values for when we see that they've used it on each of the different social networks. So by default, we think that Facebook and Instagram are worth more and Twitter is worth less. Twitter might be worth 1/10 of a Facebook post or an Instagram post. So maybe if you set your Facebook post and Instagram post to 100 points, you can set your tweets to 10 points, something along those lines. You review the campaign details, make sure everything checks out, and then you send off the campaign. On your ambassador side, what happens is they get a text message or an email that says, your brand has created a new hashtag campaign. Here are the instructions. And then that's pretty much it. They can use the hashtag on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And then, again, CrewFire will listen in the background and give them points for every time we see them using that hashtag. So it's very simple, very flexible. So this opens up to user-generated content. You can have people sharing anything they want. It's much more open. You can say, search our YouTube library, or go through our blog, or go through our Instagram and repost anything from our Instagram and just use the hashtag. And CrewFire will let them do so in a very open and flexible way with these hashtag tracking campaigns. So it lets you guide the conversation on social media so that you can drive more awareness and reach more people and start the conversation around your brand on social media. And so, boom, there you go. In the next video, we will talk about post suggestion campaigns. I'll see you there.